This is Modern from BoloForms, and today we'll see how to install the BoloForms signature add-on and create a signature for forms. So first, you can either start from a Google form you've already made, or directly sign on to the signatures dashboard and create a form from there. So first, we look at how to create a form from an already created form on Google. Okay, so here's a Google form. Just simply go to add-ons, get add-ons, BoloForms signature, and install the BoloForms signature add-on. Okay. After that, click on add-ons and click on the BoloForms signature add-on right here. You can open the add-on will open up right here. Now, this is the link which you can copy and send to people as the form has already been created inside of BoloForms with the signature question added at the end. And you can simply send this link and move on. Or if you want to customize the form even further, simply click on edit form. Click on responses to see all of the responses which you have received for the form. Okay, so let's click on edit form. So here we can see that the entire form has been synced from Google and has been added to the BoloForms dashboard for signatures. And at the last, a signature question has been added where a user can sign whatever. You can add even more questions of many different types as well as file upload and add time and date as per your requirements. Simply click on save to save the form and share link to share the signature. You can also create a new form by simply going to create and clicking on form here, and to this will create a new form for you, and you can create a whole new form directly from the BoloForms dashboard and send it to people.